There are several options for how you can create new lists. The first is you can create an empty list using just a set of square brackets with nothing in it. Of course, to actually use it, then you would have to add additional items, but if you already know what you'd like to put in the list, you can go ahead and create the items in place and populate it with an initial set of data. And we've also seen that it's very common that you need a large list of consecutive integers, perhaps to use for the iterator on a list. And we know that we can do that using the range function, which returns a set of integers specified using the parameters to the range function. If you're in a situation where you've already created several lists that you'd like to combine together into one larger list, you can concatenate lists using plus. Just remember that the order in which you concatenate is important because the lists will get concatenated in that specific order. Typically, in most of your programs, the list will probably contain homogeneous data, all numbers, all strings, etc. But the Python model actually allows you to create non-homogeneous lists of strings, integers, floating point, other containers, etc. So you're only limited by your ability to keep track of that. And if at any time you have questions about the data type, remember that you can always do type on your variable and it will return the information about the data type that you've created.